Ready to upgrade the stock CV axles in your side-by-side? With 30 years of experience, GSP offers high-quality parts with OEM fitment. Today, we're going to replace the stock UTV axle with upgraded heavy-duty axles from GSP. First, loosen the lug nuts. Don't remove them yet. Then get the vehicle up in the air, either on a lift or on jack stands. Once your vehicle is safely up in the air with the suspension hanging, remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper on. And remove the caliper from the rotor. Don't let the brake caliper dangle unsupported. Get some wire or string and tie the caliper to the control arm or the frame so there's no tension on the brake line. Now, remove the cotter pin from the axle nut. Then, remove the axle nut, the two axle washers. Hub. Remove the lower spindle bolt. And pull the lower A-arm uniball or ball joint from the spindle. Then, remove the upper spindle bolt. Slide the axle off of the uniball or ball joint and pull the axle out of the spindle. Now, using a strap, secure the upper A-arm and the shock out of the way. Giving the axle a couple of quick pulls, remove the axle from the differential. With the old axle out, it's time to install the new GSP axle. Slide the inner CV splines into the differential and seat the axle into the differential. Give it a good push to make sure it's properly seated. Next, unhook the strap. Then slide the outer CV into the spindle and attach the spindle back to the upper A-arm. Now slide the lower A-arm uniball ball joint onto the spindle and reinstall the spindle bolts. Reinstall the hub and rotor assembly, two axle washers, and the castle nut. With the castle nut on, reinstall the cotter pin. Slide the brake caliper back over the rotor and tighten it up. Reattach the wheel and torque the lug nuts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. With the wheels back on, you can lower the vehicle. Now, it's time to get out there in the dirt and have some fun. Whether you are forever adventuring or racing to the finish line, GSP's upgraded heavy-duty CV axles are specifically engineered for UTV, ATV, and side-by-side applications to get you where you need to go. Redefine your adventure with GSPXTV CV axles. For more information, please visit www.gspxtv.com.